Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this red truck plate using all Dollar Tree supplies, perfect for the holidays. Some supplies you're going to need are a glass plate, some fabric, a paintbrush, and some Mod Podge. I got all of these supplies from the Dollar Tree, including this adorable red truck fabric. So you're just going to start by putting some Mod Podge on the back side of the plate. So your plate should be flipped upside down.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but...
The next step is to lay your fabric on top of the plate. You want your print to be facing down, so the print should be adhered to the glass part of the plate. I know in the video it kind of looks like it's right side up, but you're actually looking at the back side of the fabric. And then I'm just taking my hands and I'm smoothing it out, making sure that I do it really good. I spent a long time doing this, so just spend a long time, make sure it's pushed really well against it. If there's any places that feel like they're not adhering very well, go ahead and just take your brush and brush some more Mod Podge onto the plate. And then you can see here, I kind of do like a dry brush method. I don't have a whole lot of Mod Podge on my brush right now, but there is a little bit, and I'm just kind of using it to push the fabric onto the plate a little bit better. And you can see here I just add a little bit more Mod Podge when I need it. I think this was a pretty good method to use to make sure that your fabric adheres really well. So I actually let my plate dry completely overnight. This is the next morning. You're going to take a pair of scissors and you want to cut as close to the plate as you possibly can.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
This next step is a pretty important step. You're going to take some Mod Podge and put it on your brush. You're going to want to adhere the edge of the fabric to the plate. So I'm just kind of taking my Mod Podge and I'm putting it in between the two layers, counting like the plate as a layer. And I'm making sure that there's a lot of Mod Podge in between the layers, and then I'm going back and I'm taking the brush on the outside and I'm pushing it up against the plate. It's really hard to describe, so hopefully you can see it here. I spent a ton of time on this. Like, I'm not even kidding you, probably 15 minutes making sure that my fabric was really adhered to my plate.
And that's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you.
After I'm done with the Mod Podge, I just took a wet paper towel and I wiped it around the rim of the plate just to make sure that I got off some of the excess Mod Podge that had made its way onto the plate itself.
I get every time that I am with you.
And then cleaning up the edges one last time, just going around with these detailing scissors, making sure if any threads or anything were sticking up, that I cut them off, and just making sure that it has a clean edge.
Complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out
The very last step is to take a cotton ball with alcohol on it and rub it all over the plate. Now that it's dry, this will take off any dried Mod Podge that may have snuck up onto the plate. And that is it. It's pretty simple. It's a little bit time consuming, but overall a pretty simple DIY. I think it turned out great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!